Open up any old radio, any broken laptop, any dead remote control. Crack the case open and look inside. There it is, a thin flat board covered in tiny silver lines and little black chips, and it's green, almost always green, not blue, not black, not white, green. Now think about that for a second. Every phone charger you've ever owned, every computer, every microwave, every car, every satellite orbiting above your head right now, nearly all of them are built around this same green board. That's strange, isn't it? Thousands of different companies, in different countries, making completely different products, and somehow they all landed on the same color. This isn't a coincidence, and it isn't really about color at all. The real reason is buried in a story about chemistry and war. Millions of people touch this green board every single day. It's inside the phone in your pocket right now, and almost nobody knows why. Welcome to the History Flash, where we uncover the hidden stories behind the ordinary things around us. Today we're going to discover why almost every circuit board on Earth is green, and what that color is secretly protecting you from. To understand this, we have to go back before circuit boards even existed. In the early 1900s, electronics weren't built on flat boards at all. Engineers used point-to-point wiring. Picture a tangle of individual wires, each one soldered directly from part to part, like a spider web. It worked, but it was slow, painfully slow. One radio could take hours to wire by hand. One mistake and the entire device could fail. By the 1940s, machines were multiplying. Radios, telephones, radar systems. Suddenly, wiring by hand was a bottleneck holding back entire industries. That change accelerated during World War II. Military technology needed circuits that could survive vibration from tanks, shock from artillery, and moisture from ships. Engineers needed a way to print a circuit's wiring directly onto a surface. This idea became known as the printed circuit board, or PCB. But this created a brand new problem. These early boards were made from paper or fiberglass soaked in resin, which could absorb moisture and warp. If two copper paths touched by mistake, the board could short-circuit. In the worst cases, that meant sparks, smoke, or total failure. The solution was a thin protective layer called solder mask. Its job was to cover everything except the spots where parts needed to be soldered. Manufacturers found that a specific type of epoxy resin worked extremely well. It was durable, stable, and easy to apply. But here's the twist. That epoxy resin, in its natural chemical form, happened to turn a shade of green once it cured and hardened. Once factories built entire production lines around this green formula, standardization happened. Switching to a different color would have cost too much time and money. But there's a second reason: human eyes. Workers needed to visually inspect every board for defects like scratches or misaligned solder joints. It turns out green offers unusually strong contrast against shiny silver solder and bright copper traces. That contrast made defects easier to catch. Red, blue, black, purple, even yellow circuit boards all exist today. They still work exactly the same way electrically. Black solder mask, despite looking sleek on gaming computers, actually makes defects harder to spot. That's why black boards often cost more. So the next time you glance inside a computer, look at that green board a little differently. It's a piece of chemistry protecting your digital life. An ordinary color, hiding an extraordinary story. Give this video a like and subscribe to the History Flash for more hidden history.